Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME and I am back again with another video. This video I'm going to be showing you my routine when it comes to my curly hair. You guys, I think I have mastered my routine. I don't really have to do too much and it's pretty much spray, put a little bit of products on it, run my brush through it and go. So the hair that I'm going to be showing you in this video is going to be from Wig Hair. This is not my first time working with this company. I've worked with this company plenty of times. Actually, it's been years now. So if you're looking for an affordable hair vendor, definitely suggest Wig Hair. The hair that I have in right now going to be 3 bundles and as well as a frontal. The texture that I got is going to be the Brazilian curly, and I did get the inches in. One second, let me get my phone. I'll try to be more prepared next time. So the inches that I did get is going to be a 18-inch frontal as well as 3 bundles in a 20, 20, and a 22-inch. As you can see, this is what we are working with, and it's because it is curly hair. To be honest, it's not giving me 22 inches. I am going to show you exactly what the hair looked like when I turn around as well. So I'm going to be showing you in this video the products that I'm going to use in my hair to achieve it. I just wanted to go ahead and put this out there. I do make my own wigs, and if you would like for me to make a wig to you, I do have wig services. I make custom machine made wigs on a sewing machine. The wigs do come plucked if plucking is needed. Do come bleach. I go ahead and I bleach the knots on them to give you that scalp like effect, as well as style the wig. So I know, you know, usually when you get hair, if you're pretty much not used to doing hair and if you buy a wig, you pretty much have to go in and style it yourself. I do that for you. I take care of that for you. You ain't gotta worry. When it comes straight to your door, it's already styled to where you can just throw it on and go. Now with this, I did go ahead and gel and we'll glue this down with the Gots to Be Glue gel, but I'm gonna show you in the video what that looks like. So if you're interested in my custom machine made wigs, I'll leave my information down in the description box as well as the comment section. Just let me know if you would like that, and then we will go from there. I don't have a website yet. It will be up soon. I promise it'll be up soon. I'm going to leave as well all of Wig's information down in the description box as well. So stay tuned for the rest of this video for me to show you how I achieve this look.